Hello, and welcome to the House Files.
A podcast about building a triplex in Portland.
And we're in Unit B right now, and a lot has happened here, as you might be able to tell from our compromise that we made with the inspector since we don't have railings. So, we have counters, quartz countertops.
They look so good.
They're really nice. This is actually the same counter that we have in our unit, in the loft in the back. This was just done. I probably shouldn't even be touching it. The grout is done now there, and that is a porcelain subway tile, but it's like there's a slight texture to it, so it's like a little more fun than basic subway tile, but just like a smidge. The pink wall, that's why we went basic with everything else, because it is a pink kitchen.
I'm super excited. I love this pink color. I'm so happy with this.
This is the color of our pink color in our kitchen.
Yeah.
And we get nothing but compliments with our kitchen color. People see it in the background when I'm on video calls, and they're like, "Oh my God, your kitchen is so cute." This is going to be darn near impossible to see.
Yeah, it's dark in here. Oh, wow.
That help?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the shower, and as you can tell, this is a pretty sizable apartment shower. It's like decent size. Not as big as the other one, but and then we went with a black ceiling in here.
I really like the black ceiling. My theory is that it makes it so that when you walk in, like, you just don't really see the top, so it doesn't look like the ceiling is coming down on you.
Yeah.
And then this pink is like very similar pink to the shades of pink to the kitchen. So it kind of echoes that room. This floor is simple, like printed tile.
It's not supposed to have mud on it, but it is very muddy.
You can kind of see the floors poking through here for the kitchen and the rest of the house, this unit. This bedroom.
Okay, so this one, it's a dual color bedroom. It's got a blue wall.
Accent wall really picks up the light nicely. And then the rest is white.
And there's a closet behind the camera. It's pretty much it.
Yeah.
It's a nice room. And this is my favorite room, I think, in maybe the whole unit. It is epically raining outside. But this room is still beautiful, which really tells you something about how good this room is going to be in Portland. This is like a lighter blue, and I kind of like it because it's not as aggressively preppy. Should we close the front door? No, actually, it's pretty well covered.
Wow. This horizontal rain.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, this blue is slightly lighter than the other bedroom.
Yeah. And it's not as like aggressively preppy as the navy. And so it's like maybe a little more feminine of a blue, but it's not so feminine that people wouldn't want to stay in it. I don't know. Might be overthinking it.
Well, and because this was a slightly lighter shade, we went and did all of the walls in this room with this blue. So as opposed to an accent wall. And I think it really works. I think it really works well.
And it almost exactly matches the tile in this bathroom.
Yes. Same idea. Look at that. We did little niches in this shower.
And this is a huge shower. Massive.
Yeah.
And the niches are really good too, I think.
Yeah, they look so good.
This is we went for this floor tile everywhere except our primary bath. Yeah. Which is that's a dramatically designed bathroom. So.
Yeah. It's fine. It's relatively plain, generic, but I think it was a good way to save some money.
Yes. Okay. And there's a good closet here. There's so many closets in this unit.
So yeah, I guess that's about it. I can't remember if the little track up here is finished, but I think maybe it was in progress last time you saw this unit. Got a nice cap on top of that closet in the entryway now too. It's really shaping up. Oh, one thing I forgot to point out. The electricians have actually started. And there are outlets installed in some places. So If you look up, yeah, so there's actual outlets, like full, real life wired outlet and the ceiling lights. So we've got the little can lights in now. So it's like coming together. It's like an actual house.
Yeah, we could do Unit A. Unit A is super dark. You're not gonna be able to see shit. And all of the stuff is covered. All the tile is covered in there right now.
It's all covered?
It's all taped up.
Oh, darn.
Because I honestly don't think you're gonna be able to film anything. Unless do you want to do it regardless?
Bring a flashlight. Well, I did get a flashlight.
But it is raining so hard, and our entire yard is a mud pit right now.
It's so muddy. It's just a giant mud pit.
Which will not always be true, but it is currently dug up for running things.
They're gonna start doing the foundation framing for the concrete this week. So everything is just torn up, and everything is way deeper than it will be. So everything is yeah.
Anyway, we literally can't get past the moat that protects Unit A from the outside elements.
So that'll have to be next time.
Yep. So until next time.
Build a triplex.